Hello, I'm Haseeb Kamran, and today I'm going to discuss my 990B project, which is divided into three parts. And the title is Design and Optimization of Solar-Based EV Charging System in St. John's, Newfoundland. So our supervisor is Dr. Ashraf, and so today I'm going to be discussing the solar panel mounting design in SolidWorks and its analysis in Ansys. So this is just some diagrams to show like what are we going to do. So let me just show you some basics. So first of all, so SolidWorks is a software. It's a very powerful CAD software in which you can design multiple things. This is their website, and you can download this SolidWorks. You can buy the subscription from the website, and same is the case for Ansys. So you can download the student version of Ansys, or you can buy the full version of Ansys. So first of all, in SolidWorks, we are going to start with the designing of the leg of the mounting. So this is the leg, right? And I selected this based on some like research papers, because like this is quite strong. This design, if I were to design it normally like a square shaped or something, it wouldn't be as strong as this one, right? And so this is the leg. This is an L plate which would be used in the assembly, and this is a bracing, and I'll like show you how they are used in the assembly. And this is just the simple design of a solar panel, right? And so first let me show you a full assembly. So when we start assembling all the parts, right? So this is leg, right? So this is like the column. So I just put this in the assembly, then I increase the size of this, and I use this in the assembly as well. So you can see like these are the two like legs of the mounting, right? Then I put the L plate, right? It's right here. I've just suppressed all of these just to show you the format of our model, right? So I assemble the L plate, right? And so then I assembled the bracing, and as you can see, it's here. I've just assigned like random names, and this is the same case, right? And this is just the assembly process. Like I'm showing you each and every like steps of the process, like how did I did the assembly, right? So then I assemble the PV panel, right? So this is the basic structure, right? As you can see, and then I did some local pattern, right? So you can do this in Ansys. So see, like I had one bracing, but I copied this bracing to this part, right? So now I have two bracings. Then see, I copied this to here, right? And this is also assembled. So you can do this linear pattern in Ansys. Like it's very helpful. You don't have to like do everything like step by step. So see, like I've copied the L plate and the bracing together, right? So this is, let me just like zoom in and show you. See, I've assembled this, right? And now, yeah, I just copied this again, right? You can see the process. Then I let me just like suppress this again, just to show you like I had this, right? So I copied this leg and this leg to others, to like this side as well, so that you can see like just one linear pattern and I have this complete structure, right? Then I just copied this and on this to the top, right? So it's also assembled, right? And then I can just copy these two to this side. So I'll do that, and see, the whole assembly is complete. So this was the entire process of the assembly, right? It will take some time like to get used to it, but this is the process. And so now once you have made an assembly, right, and then I have to do some analysis of this, right? So I made an assembly of just one PV panel, and I'll check the analysis of just one panel, and that will be valid for the rest. Like I've changed the parameters and everything so that like it should be good, right? So this is the assembly for our analysis. So first, we are doing a static structural analysis on Ansys. So this is the main work page of Ansys, right? And let me just show you, like, as you can see, these are all the things that we can do on Ansys, right? So we are doing the static structural analysis, right? So let me just like remove all of this. Okay, so this is all the analysis that I've done. So if you can see the tick mark, it means that it is completed, it's done, right? So I've already done all of this. So let me just show you. This is a static structural. So let me just open right. This is the main like analysis part of the static structural. Like see the setup. This is the setup part of Ansys analysis. So as you can see, like first I imported the geometry from SolidWorks, right? So this was made in SolidWorks, and I just imported this, right? And I assigned the materials, then I assigned a coordinate system, and then I did the meshing, right? So in meshing, it divides all of the parts into smaller parts, right? And you can even uh, divide this into even smaller parts. It will take some like processing power and some time, but it can even divide it into like smaller parts. So I did the meshing, right? And then we have to do the analysis, right? So as you can see, like the legs of the uh, of the of the support system, right? They are fixed to the roof, right? So I've put a fixed support on each of the legs, right? Here you can see. Let me just show you, right? I've in static structural, so I fixed the legs, right? I put a pressure on this side, like this whole side, right? And this is just a force that the air will exert, like the wind will exert at like maximum at the worst conditions, right? So like when there is the highest the speed of wind, right? So it will induce a lift force like this, and then it will induce a drag force like this. So like I've shown the forces like this, right? And so and then I did the analysis, and it will show me all the things, like all the results, right? So this is the static structural, and I'll like move on to thermal. So this is now the thermal page, and see like this. Let me just move this. So see, I did steady state thermal on this analysis, and let me just show you the thermal diagram. So this is the thermal. So same case, like I assigned the materials, I did the meshing, then I assigned the temperature values. The different temperature values, I did like multiple analysis, but this is like the simpler one. So I assigned all the temperatures, and I checked the total like heat flux and everything. So this was the analysis that was done. So so basically this is how you do design. This is how you design a mounting system on SolidWorks, and then you do the analysis of Ansys, right? And for the analysis, you have to read like multiple research papers and see like how much force uh, will the wind exert on the foundation and everything, right? So it can change, but like the basics is all there. So this is how you can do the complete analysis, and I hope this would be helpful for the future students. And I think that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.